Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding the alert browser source in OBS. First, add a new browser source and paste the alert URL from your alert provider. Once done, set width/height to match your canvas and enable click-through if needed, because alerts should not block controls. Make sure to tweak local CSS or appearance options to match your scene. This prevents layout shifts. Finally, lock the source to avoid accidental moves during a stream, and test a single alert using the provider's test button. Next, customize how alerts behave so they match your production. In the provider dashboard, adjust duration, entrance/exit animations, and link sound files. This controls emphasis and pacing. Then, in OBS, use scene items to show alerts only on target scenes or create hotkeys to toggle them, which keeps alerts relevant. Also apply OBS filters like crop or color correction to integrate visuals. Make sure files are hosted or cached to avoid delays. This reduces missed or silent alerts during live sessions. Finally, run a complete test sequence to confirm timing, visuals, and audio across alert types. You should simulate donation, follow, and subscriber events because different templates behave differently. If alerts fail, check that the URL is exact. OBS browser source allows remote content, and your browser settings don't block third-party cookies or mixed content. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, review the provider's event history and your browser console logs inside OBS browser source for specific error messages to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.